Are you confused about investing? Do you want clarity on how to select right schemes and avoid wrong schemes? Our chief financial planner, Mr. Ramalingam, will guide us through. Ramalingam, the screen is yours.
So when it comes to investments, most of the times, do we have clarity or do we have confusion? Especially when we are talking about investments and we are in the verge of deciding something, do we have clarity or confusion? When I go to a stockbroker or a mutual fund broker, he tells stockbroking or mutual fund investments are the best because it gives you highest rate of return. When I approach somebody else, they say mutual funds or stock investments are subject to market risk. Better stay invested in PPF or bank FDs. At the same time, there is also a thought process among people. Real estate is the most conventional and trustworthy investment. So we are confused. Do we have to invest in mutual funds, real estate, ULIPs, crypto, stock trading, currency trading? So where do we start? What to keep, what to avoid? There is not much of clarity there. Going ahead over a period of time, you will be having more and more investment products which can add more complications as such. So, how can we always have clarity? That is the idea of this discussion today. Today, we will be discussing about three key important points which will help have clarity throughout your financial life. Anytime you want to think about investments, these three key points will help you get more clarity. Do we have investment trap in front of us or do we have investment opportunity in front of us? Many a times investors come back and tell me, Ramlingam, I should not have invested in this crypto. I should not have invested in this particular stock. I should not have entered into stock trading. I should not have invested in this ULIP. But when they signed up, it looked really okay to them. They did their own logics, they did their own reasoning. Based on that, they went ahead and invested. But now they are regretting for the same investment. Why? It is predominantly because what they expected from that investment and what it delivered, what they assumed and what it actually is, there is a huge gap. That is why you see this gap there. Especially when it comes to investments, all human beings, including me, have a peculiar way of behaving or facing the investments. Let us say a person goes to market, he sees a shop vendor selling apple. He has a board which says apple per kg 250 rupees. He also has a fixed rate within the bracket in the board. Now the customer will ask him what is the rate. Again he tells it's 250 per kg. The next question what the customer will ask is that's fine. At what rate you will give me? Means your price is 250. At what discounted rate you will give it to me? This is what the customer will ask a shopkeeper. Same customer now walks into a stockbroker's office. Now he asks the stockbroker, as an investor, he asks him, what's the rate of Apple stock? He quotes the rate. Then he will ask him, what is the target price for this? Actually, he should have asked, at what rate I can buy? If the rate is X, can I buy at X minus 10%? Will the rate come down? Can I buy for discounted rate? That is what a common man should have done. But the moment he wears the gap, if he becomes an investor, immediately his thought process is completely different. He asks, what is the target price? This is where we get confused between taking risk and focusing on return. Instead of focusing on risk, we immediately start focusing on return here. This is where all the confusion comes into picture. That is how we get carried away with investments. So to give you clarity, we have designed very three simple questions. First question, any investment proposal you come across, the first question you have to ask is the investment instrument well regulated? Second question, is it time tested with a proven track record? Third, is it simple and transparent? These three questions will help you avoid 90% of the traps. You will be mostly having an investment opportunity in front of you if the proposal passes all the three tests.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, Don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.